very good morning, dear students of class 9. Very good morning. So, in my previous class, I started. Actually, I am doing lines and angles chapter of 9th class, and in my previous class, I have started 6.1 exercise. Okay, so 6.1 exercise. First question I have done. Till now, in this 9th class, I have explained you angles, lines, types of angles, complementary pair of angles, supplementary pair of angles, and adjacent pair of angles, and linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, pair of vertically opposite angles. These things I have already taught you, and based on this concept, 8.1 exercise is there. 8.1 exercise has very less number of problems. Yesterday I have explained you first question. Today I am going to start second question onwards. Okay, so keep your books ready. And then before I start the second question, if you want to connect with me, if you want to clear your doubts with me, you can download Dear Teacher app from the Google Play Store. My logo is there on the screen. See the logo and download a Dear Teacher app. And I am going to put you in class 9 batch. And then you can chat in the messages. You can chat with me so that I can support you. If you have any doubt, you can in the chat you can send me so that I can send you a video answer, video message I am going to send you. And at the same time, if there is a need of practice tests and etc., I am going to give you. At the same time, please, if you are not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Now let me start exercise. So exercise 8.1, 6.1, exercise 6.1, question number 2. Okay, page number 77. He has already given a figure. So in the figure 6.14, he has already given a figure, and he has given something. Okay, so I'll write given. In the given I'll write whatever given is there. I'll read the program and I'll write xy mn. So lines xy, this is one line, and mn, not mn, intersect at O. This is first one, and angle POY is equal to 90 degrees, and A is to B is equal to 2:3, and find C, RTF means required to find. So you have to find C. So this A, B, C, D, B, all these things are there in the diagram. I am going to draw the diagram. Okay. First XY is horizontal line. This is XY. When you are drawing it, just by seeing the book you don't draw. Understand and draw so that you will get ideas. XY is the base. And there is MN. So let us draw MN also. This is MN. Okay. So a neat diagrams will give you a pleasant mind. So draw the diagram neatly. Yes, Yemen, and both are meeting at O. And this angle is C. So our target is to find out this angle. Okay, and he has given one more ray, perpendicular ray. So this is a perpendicular ray to XY. So he named it as P. So this is a perpendicular ray, 90 degrees. Okay, he has already given POY. And here A is given, this is A and this is B. Okay, so A is to B. So then this is the diagram he has given. Let us start solution. It is not the proof, it is the solution. So I don't know whether my video is very much blank, whether it is going on or not, I don't know. Whoever is watching, whether you are able to see my diagram and all those things. My mobile has nothing. So, but my YouTube is saying everything is clear. So whoever is online, please see where respond to me, so that whether you are getting it or not. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so now let me go to the problem. So here A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, because other side is 90, because angle POY is equal to 90, total angle is 180. So then, but A is to B is equal to 2:3. Let A is equal to 2K and B is equal to 3K. B is equal to 3K. So now put these values in A plus B. So 2K plus 3K is equal to 90 degrees, and 5K is equal to 90 degrees, and K is equal to 18 degrees. So then what happened? Therefore A is equal to 2K, 36 degrees, and B is equal to 3K, 3 into 18, 54 degrees. So now we have got A. A is 54 degrees, and B is, A is 36 degrees. 36 degrees, and this is 54 degrees. Okay, and then we have to find out C, and this is nothing but B, vertically opposite angles. I'll write here some letter, so that B is equal, let me write D. Okay, let me write D. So D is equal to B, vertically opposite angles, and therefore D is also equal to 54 degrees. So then C plus D is equal to 180 degrees. This is linear pair. So now D is already 54. C plus 54 is equal to 180, and therefore C is equal to 180 minus 54, which is equal to 6 to 126 degrees. This is how you have to do the second question. Let me go to the another question. another question. Divanshu Das, yeah, you can use another variable. Yeah, Raju, Anand, yeah, Bersek, you can talk to me. How is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees? Yeah, sure, I'm going to explain. This xy is a line. I'll use xy is a line. So therefore, this entire thing is linear pair. So out of this linear pair, that means A plus B plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So then if you send a 90 degrees to other side, it is equal to 90. This is how A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. I hope you have understood. The same doubt, Bersek? Devanshu Das, मुझे नींद आ रहा है, सो जाओ ना. It's okay. You can see this video later also. Right. So let me go to another question. Bersek, it's very simple. The angles, though it is given pair, it is not a pair. The angles which are on the same line, they form 180 degrees, a linear angle. Okay. So the terminology, it was given like that in the textbooks and everything. It is not a pair. There are three angles, but we call this as a linear pair. But angles, all the three angles, they stay on one line, so they form 180 degrees, a linear angle. Okay. So just learn like that. I have given a clear explanation. Let us go to another question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Even this also he has given a figure, and let me read the problem and write the given. Okay. PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, prove that RTP required to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, so let me draw the diagram. He has given a line ST. A line, clear line is given ST. So draw the figures perfectly using the appropriate instruments and label it. Don't forget to label. Without label, there is no diagram. And then there are two sides on this. Here one side is there, and here one more side is there. Both are meeting. So both are meeting at P, and this is Q. A triangle is formed here. So he has given these two angles are equal. Okay, let us start to prove. Thank you, Devansh. Good habit, getting up in the early, because you will save many things. If you complete your studies, revision and everything in the morning, evening you can spend that time for playing and other activities. Okay. So PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Let us say I have written X. This is given. Okay, here let me write. So here this is Y and this is Z. Okay, Otherwise we can write directly also. So now PQS, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Yes, and then in the same way these two angles, this is PQS and PQR, these two. At the same time PRT, angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. This is also linear pair axiom. Now there are two equations we got, equation 1 and equation 2. So in both the equations right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are also equal. So angle PQS plus angle PQR, I'm sorry, this is PQR, and angle PRT plus angle PRQ. So because these two are equal, PQR and these two things are equal, we can cancel it. So therefore angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This is how it is to be proved. Okay. So actually I can prove like this also using the letter y plus x is equal to 180 degrees. In the same way x plus z is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. So y plus x is equal to x plus z. X will get cancelled. Y is equal to z. Y is nothing but PQS and z is nothing but PRT. So this is also one way using so let me go to, this is how question number 3 will go. Question number 4 let us do. Question number 4. So question number 4, he has given x plus y is equal to figure also given. Let me write given x plus y is equal to w plus z. Prove that AOB is a line. RTP AOB is line. We have to prove. That means you have to keep in the mind angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, 180 degrees. If you prove angle AOB is 180 degrees, then AOB is a line. So now let me draw the figure. He has given AOB is looking like a line. It is not a line. So he started from the point O. Okay, this is the point O. Let me draw one by one. So first he has drawn OA. This is OA like this. I will put the arrow marks later. And then OB. We don't know whether this is a line or not. OB. And then OC. And then OD. Okay, let me put the arrow marks and label the points also. And this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D, and this is x, this is y, and this is z, and this is w. Okay, w. So now let us start proving this. We don't know AOB is a line or not, but the angle AOB should be equal to, now x plus y is equal to w plus z. This is given. So x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360, because it's a complete angle. This is the problem given on the complete angle. Ayush Mishra, I was living in Maharashtra. I am a native of Andhra Pradesh. I am a Telugu person. I lived in Maharashtra for so many years. Now I am living in Andhra Pradesh. So now in the place of x plus y, I will replace w plus z. W plus z and w plus z is equal to 360 degrees. So now w plus z plus w plus z. So these two things, 2 into w plus z is equal to 360. You can replace w plus z के place में भी x plus y डाल सकते हैं. So अभी w plus z को हम how to find out? It is equal to 360 divided by 2. It is 180 degrees. So now w plus z is nothing but angle AOB. That means angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. So that implies AOB is a line. Okay, this is how fourth question goes. Let me do fifth question also. Only 2 more questions are there. I will complete these 2 more questions so that exercise will be over. Fifth question, and these 6 questions are not sufficient to remember the values, get the good marks. Here this also he has given a diagram. POQ is a line. Let me write first given, and then I will draw the diagram. So POQ is a line. POQ is a line, and OR is perpendicular. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, OS is another line between OP and OR. Now RTP, ROS angle ROS is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. So now I will be drawing the diagram. Okay, I will be drawing the diagram. First let me draw POQ. Okay, let me name it and Q. And at O, R is there. OR is perpendicular. This is OR perpendicular, and OS is between OR and, it is not exactly in between, it is just lying in between. So now this is OR perpendicular, and this is OS. So now we have to find out ROS. ROS means this one. Let me say this is X and this is Y. So now let me start the proof. x plus y plus 90 degrees is equal to 180. This is linear angle or linear pair you can have, because all those angles are on the line. Now we want ROS. ROS is x. You keep x here and send y and other things also. So 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus y. So this is 90 minus y.